I'm in a dilemma. So I've made maybe all the boards I can out of this piece of wood here. So getting some rotten stuff there. A little rotten stuff here. And down the middle is a big old rotten spot, but there's a lot of nice wood still left in here. This 6 inches. So I believe I'm going to make a 6 by 6 post. And anyway, if I make 6 by 6 posts, I can make them 1 by 6s later, or 2 by 6s, or you get the gist. Anyway, it's a bit of a dilemma. You say, why do you have rotten wood? It's what I got. You run what you brung. So we don't live in a place that has a lot of trees. So you just do with what you got. And get creative.